अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का कहना है कि उन्होंने पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान जंग बंदी में मदद फराहम की। अमरीका दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान जोहरी तसादुम को रोक दिया। एटम जंग बहुत खराब होती है और उसमें लाखों अफराद मारे जाते हैं।
On Saturday, my administration helped broker a full and immediate ceasefire, I think a permanent one, between India and Pakistan, ending a dangerous conflict of two nations with lots of nuclear weapons. And they were going at it hot and heavy, and it was seemingly not going to stop. And I'm very proud to let you know that the leadership of India and Pakistan was unwavering, powerful, but unwavering in both cases, and having these, they really were, from the standpoint of having the strength and the wisdom and fortitude to fully know and to understand the gravity of the situation. And we helped a lot. And we helped also with trade. I said, come on, we're going to do a lot of trade with you guys. Let's stop it. Let's stop it. If you stop it, we're doing trade. If you don't stop it, we're not going to do any trade. And we stopped the nuclear conflict. I think it could have been a bad nuclear war. Millions of people could have been killed, so I'm very proud.